So let's create this gorgeous feline eyeshadow look for Eid today. It's super easy, all drugstore products, and I'm going to be showing you how to create this. So let's start off. So we're going to start with the Makeup Revolutions eyeshadow palette, and this one is like a nice neutral tone palette. I'm going to start with this mauvey, pinky, brown kind of shade. I just felt it's like one of the most beautiful shades to just apply it all over the lid, which is exactly what I'm going to be doing it, just using a Milagro Beauty's blending brush, applying it softly in the outer corner, crease, as well as the lid. It's super easy. It's definitely doable by each and every one of you. Just make sure that you're not going very, very lower in the outer corner. That way it does not make your eyes look droopy, because we're going to give the entire look a good lift. Slowly, softly, just start blending that into the crease and a little higher than the crease. That way it's going to be seen when your eyes are open, especially if you have hooded eyes like me. Next, we're going to use the Catrice 24-hour brush eyeliner. Any eyeliner will do the trick. Like an idiot, I started doing an eyeliner before the shimmer, so I'm just going to show you how I roll with it, but which is creating like a tiny half wing on the second part of the eye. And going back to the shimmer application right now, we're going to use a little bit of this nice pinky kind of a shimmer. It's a very warm pink and it has a little bit of gold reflex. You'll see it like when I'm posing. And we're just going to apply that all across the lid as well as the inner corner, slightly on the outer corner as well if you don't have too much of wrinkles, or skip that. And then we're going to apply that a little into the crease and just a couple of sparkles here and there. And going back into the eyeliner, we're just going to complete it right now, and I'm just keeping it a lot thicker in the outer corner, and then I'm going to extend that into a very, very thin sharp liner. And we're keeping this not very tilted, but I'm kind of going almost parallel to the floor. So I just didn't want to give it a lot of tilt, so it gives it that beautiful cat look. And we're going to create the inner corner too. So deep breaths and just extend it very thin and very softly all the way down. And now we're going to use the Kiro's kohl pencil, and I'm going to create a nice smoky lower lash line. So quickly tight line your lower lash line and connect it all the way from the outer corner till the inner wing. That way there are no gaps, and this will help you to give that completion and that neat shape. And then I'm going to use a smudging brush and softly smudge it out. We're not creating something which is too intense because I wanted this to also be daytime friendly. So just a little amount of kajal, and then I'm going to go with the same brown and smoke out the lower lash line. Using the Glowra mascara, any mascara will do the trick. Go in for 2 to 3 coats of mascara and make sure you're coating your lower lash line as well. And next I'm going to be using the PAC 132 lashes, and these are just stunning. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys found this video helpful and easy. You can do a brown gold version or you can do a pink version like me. Super easy. The trick of the entire look is the eyeliner, so work on that. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye bye.